Hi everybody, today I'm making breakfast sushi. And I draw a picture and I gave it to Mom. I draw it of a banana. Really. I draw the potato. I know it's really hilarious, but a potato. And we're gonna make, this is how I make it, like, that's the things you need. And we have fruit, we have cereal pebbles, berries, and yogurt. And we have a spoon to scoop it up. And I twist it and twist it so that way all these can go on it. And I'll use that to cut it. That'll be the first part. And then we'll be all done and take it. Peel it. And then we put it on the tray.
And what are you going to be making today, Faith?
Sushi breakfast.
Can you show me your recipe book?
Now next I do spreading. Spreading, I think. I do spreading. Do I do it with this? Or do I do it with spoon? Okay, with this. I know it's gonna taste gross, but it's hard. It's not sticking. Okay. Maybe I'll see you at this next channel at the end because this is not sticking. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm done with this because it's not even sticking. Next, I will do these. I have to just move this. First, I need one of these. I need these, but I need all of them. Put them around to make a lot of space. And put this in here. Now I roll it with my hand. Roll, 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 roll. The cereal stuck on me. Oh, the cereal. Gosh. No, this is really on me. Next is Wait, I wasn't supposed to do that yet. I was supposed to do this first. Oh, but it's okay. Now what do I do? Wait. What in the world? We're missing this. No, this. These look like apples. They look like apples, Mom. Do I use the cutting now? Okay. Now what do I do? I think next is these, since I cut this. Next is these, I think. These are gonna taste gross. Really gross. Ugh. Ugh. Why can't they just stick? Ugh. Here. Okay, now I'm all done. I'm all done. Here are the sushis. Alright, put them in order. The blueberry fell off. The juice is coming out of it. Why won't this stick? Why won't this stick? Oh, I know. Sorry, flatten. Now I need to get these all three lined up. But I'm gonna leave these down because if they can go up like the fall. There. This is how I make sushi. And I hope you guys love my channel today. I hope you see another channel of me. And this is real sushi, how we made.